Hello friends! Right now we are going to show you for best waterproof portable Bluetooth speaker. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. Hello friends! Right now we are going to show you for best waterproof portable Bluetooth speaker. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. Number 2. JBL Charge 5. Portable waterproof, IP67, Bluetooth speaker with power bank USB charge out, 20 hours playtime, JBL Party Boost. Bold JBL Original Pro sound, take the power of JBL with you. The JBL Charge 5 has an optimized long excursion driver, a separate tweeter and dual bass radiators, all delivering impressively rich, clear audio. Get big room sound, even when outdoors. 20 hours of playtime, the fun doesn't have to stop. Packed with an incredible 20 hours of battery life, Charge 5 lets you party all day and into the night. Plus, a built-in power bank lets you charge your devices without taking a break from the tunes. Wireless Bluetooth streaming, wirelessly connect up to 2 smartphones or tablets to the speaker and take turns enjoying JBL Pro sound. Thanks to Party Boost, you can connect multiple JBL Party Boost enabled speakers for a sound big enough for any crowd. IPX7 waterproof, bring your speakers anywhere. Pool party? Perfect. Sudden cloudburst? Covered. Bash on the beach? Charge 5 is IPX7 waterproof and dustproof for fearless outdoor entertainment. The sound promise, JBL has brought music to life in a way people can feel for over 70 years. From Woodstock to the Motion Picture Academy, our speakers unleash the power of music so you can live life to the fullest, wherever and whenever. Number 3. TREBLAB HD77 Bluetooth speaker. Powerful 360° sound with impactful bass, 30W portable wireless audio, 20H battery, IPX7 waterproof, TWS stereo, shockproof, designed for outdoor, beach, pool, job site. Brand TREBLAB. Speaker maximum output power 30 watts. Frequency response 16 kHz. Connectivity technology Bluetooth. Audio output mode stereo. Loud portable Bluetooth speaker with 30W peak power. TREBLAB HD77 offers 25W RMS and 30W peak output, featuring dual 48mm drivers and dual passive bass radiators for bold, expansive sound anywhere. Durable and rugged body, shockproof and impact-resistant design, IPX7 waterproof rating protects against splashes, rain, and quick dips in the pool. Enjoy uninterrupted music in any conditions. Portable speaker base with TWS stereo, elevate your audio with rich bass and TWS pairing. Bluetooth 5.0 delivers seamless connectivity, perfect as a Bluetooth speaker for office or outdoor enjoyment. Bluetooth speaker with lights and robust waterproofing, the HD77 dazzles with vibrant RGB lighting and an IPX7 waterproof build. Experience a waterproof speaker Bluetooth perfect for poolside, beach vibes, and biking escapades. Additional features, ambient RGB light mode creates the perfect atmosphere for any occasion. Rich bass and crystal clear sound enhance your music experience. Number 4. JBL Go 3 Eco. Portable mini Bluetooth speaker, big audio and punchy bass, IP67 waterproof and dustproof, 5 hours of playtime, made in part with recycled materials, Eco Blue. Brand JBL. Speaker maximum output power 4.2 watts. Frequency response 20 kHz. Connectivity technology Bluetooth. Audio output mode stereo. Rich JBL Original Pro sound. JBL Original Pro sound delivers surprisingly big audio and rich bass from Go 3 Eco ultra compact size. Ultra portable design. JBL Go 3 ECO's ultra portable design goes great with the latest styles, and its colorful fabrics and expressive details make it look as great as it sounds. 5 hours of playtime, don't sweat the small stuff like charging your battery. Go 3 ECO gives you up to 5 hours of battery life on a single charge. Wireless Bluetooth streaming, wirelessly stream music from your phone, tablet, or any other Bluetooth-enabled device. IP67 waterproof and dustproof, to the pool, to the park, in the shower. JBL Go 3 ECO is fully waterproof and dustproof, so you can bring your speaker anywhere. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.